Hi my friends, how are you? Thank you so much for watching my channel. Today I wanted to wish you have a wonderful new year. I wish this year is very happy and full of things that you like and you want. Today I'm going to do a reading about politics. How politics will be this year regarding Trump administration. So that is a question. I already shuffled my cards, and I will take some. It's still going to be a reading of 3 cards. Okay. It's going to be a 3 card reading. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have the Fool and we have the, let's see, you can see the Fool here. I hope you see, okay, you can see that. And then we have the 2 of Coins and the Knight of Swords. And I wanted to do this reading because it's some things, a lot of things, but this administration is doing, and I'm just worried. All this was going on and it's not getting better. I just see a lot of conflict. I just wanted to check what's going on. Overall, it's not detailed, but it will be pretty, what I see here is pretty descriptive how it's going to be. So I will explain every card by itself first, and then I will give the reading. Okay, this is the Fool. This is the first card we have, and this card in this reading means new beginnings. This is the Fool. You can see I do not get this card very often. It's a very pretty card. It's a man walking with his dog, and if he's not careful, he can fall. You see there is a pretty card. And then we have the 2 of Coins. Somebody who is juggling 2 coins, and it's the meaning of the card is balance. Most of it you see here. I'm sharing with you my roses, so I hope you like it. And then we have the Knight of Swords. This is the card of conflict and turbulent times. Okay. So what we have here, what I can see, what we have in this reading is this is a year of important decisions. This means important decisions. A year of challenge, political challenges. But it's a year of faith and positivism over the whole thing. Overall, right? It's a lot of positivism. It's a year of, it's a little more balance in our government right now. And is faith. I see faith here. People will have more faith this year in the government. Regarding this administration, I see a lot of what the tarot, golden tarot, is telling us is prudence. Warn us, the government, with this administration, to be prudent. A lot of ups and downs. So everybody, we have to fasten our seatbelts because the roller coaster is not done. It will be more ups and downs. Is more the things like that. It's more of up and downs coming, much more. So be ready. I see a lot of work. This means a heavy workload for our politicians, a lot of juggling, and what I see here, troubled times. Even is more balanced right now. This administration will try to take the control, the total control. No matter what, they will try to take the, at least is what the Golden Tarot is telling with this card, is taking the hold total control of government in a ruthless manner. This is what the card means, and that worries me a little bit. So I would like to know if they will succeed doing what this card is telling us. So I will take another card just to be sure, because I want the golden jar to tell me if will they succeed, yes or no. Okay, so I'm going to take another card to confirm. Okay, so we have the Seven of Swords, and this card by itself means no. When it's a question yes or no, means no. They will try to steal the control from the the Congress, but they will not succeed. This is not succeed. They will not succeed. Okay, so you can have some peace here. This is what the Golden Tarot is telling us. When the time is right, I will do another reading regarding the same, but what the Golden Tarot is telling us, they will not succeed. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this reading. Don't forget to like and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.